My name is Steve. I'm with Three-Way Plumbing. Just want to touch base on an issue our customers have, and that is the sewer line backing up into the house, coming out of the toilet or in the shower or in the tub. If you have an issue with that, give us a call because we can come out and restore flow to you as long as you got a clean out here. And what we'll do is we'll basically follow up with a camera to find out what caused the problem, because the sewer line should not back up unless there is an issue. We don't want to treat the symptom, we want to treat the problem. So with the camera, it helps us see underground. As you can see, we're inside somebody's sewer pipe right here, and we follow it from here all the way down to the city. And we can tell if you have an issue with your line, if it's damaged, cracked, broken, sagging line, and we'll televise it all the way to the city to see if you have a problem. And most of the time, if we can see, we'll know if it's on your property or it's in the street. So this is a valuable tool in determining what's causing the problem versus just fixing the symptom. Most of the time, lines will stop up from roots. Roots grow in the spring and in the fall at their greatest. So they'll grow in like the size of a hair, and they'll basically multiply because they're getting food and nutrients. And when they grow, it forms a net. The net gets tighter and tighter, and that's when you get a clog. And over time, it can crack your pipe and separate it and do more damage depending on what kind of root it is. So if you have an issue with your slow running drain, or if you want to know if you're going to have a problem, if you have an accessible clean out, we'll come out and run your line and see if you have something that's going to happen that you don't know about. If you're buying a house and you want to not have a several $1,000 bill because there's something wrong with the sewer line, a lot of times we can get in that line and see if you're going to have an issue with that line before you buy the house versus after. It's a valuable tool to see what's going on in your plumbing system.